Hello everyone, this is Shivangi, a final year student in ECE department from MLB Tech Bhilwara. I am going to present my seminar report on telemedicine system. I extend my sincere gratitude towards HOD, Professor Ritesh Saraswat and teacher in charge Himanshu Chavra. Let's get started with the seminar. The following is the list of contents that we are going to go through. Many patients with diseases difficult to diagnose and treat come to hospital for medical help, and the cost of traveling and accommodation is high for them, especially for those from poor or remote border areas. Telemedicine provides medical information exchange at a distance to support medical procedure with the ultimate goal for improving community health care. The following diagram shows the general telemedicine system, that how a patient can easily be diagnosed through audio and video conferencing system and with the help of teleconsultation software. Telemedicine system is one of the major forces shaping the future of healthcare. This system allows you to regularly monitor a patient's vital signs and glucose levels without you having to see them in person. This system lets you capture a series of images and sends them off to the specialist for receiver. The following diagram shows how physical things have been converted into virtual things for telemedicine system. In India, the field of telemedicine is catching momentum nowadays as there are many hospitals which are having their own telemedicine networks. Since last few years in the metro cities, many hospitals have launched their own telemedicine programs and have been successful. Though in India, perhaps the cost cannot be affordable, but efforts are made to minimize the cost. The features of telemedicine is based on internet and media. The internet provides the efficient and convenient methods for the patients and doctors to communicate with each other and allows patients to send their medical data through internet. This picture shows the patient's data and the communication options through the data is transferred in the reference center is a destination where the output has been received. According to media, the media potentially allows easier access to more information about a patient than the user either needed or required. The telemedicine is being widely implemented at many places in the world. In the case of India, it has also started developing slowly, and in the next few years, many people are expected to benefit by telemedicine. The use of internet would be a very much importance in case of developing countries like India. The picture shows how the diagnosis happens. It is in kind of architecture. The application of telemedicine mainly includes radiology, pathology, cardiology, medical education. These have different aspects as per their area. The advantages of telemedicine system are as follows. No human error is doses, benefiting the society economically as well. More efficient use of doctor time, ensure one-to-one care for every patient, and so on. And the disadvantages are it has high maintenance, training, and initial setup cost. Technical breakdown is there, over dependency on electricity and internet, and so on. There are so many challenges of telemedicine system as financial unavailability, quality aspect, government support, perspective of medical practitioners, literacy rate and diversity in languages, and so on. If we want to conclude it, then we can conclude it in the following way. Telemedicine being increasingly used for providing healthcare service. effective and efficient in managing resources and time for delivery of healthcare. Telemedicine are evolving peer to peer, centralized server based disturbed systems, looking for a great healthy future of our public healthcare system in our country. Thank you.